Welcome to Fountain Wisdom. Love at first sight, that instant connection with someone you've just met, can leave you feeling elated, giddy, and a little bit dizzy. In this video, we'll explore the 10 common feelings that come with falling in love at first sight. We'll hear from people who have experienced it and experts who will offer insights into what's happening in our brains and bodies. Let's dive into the wonderful world of love at first sight. 10 feelings of love at first sight. Number 1. Feeling a deep attraction in the gaze of the other person, as if unable to resist. This feeling is characterized by an almost magnetic pull towards the other person, where you feel like you are being drawn in by their gaze. You may feel like you can't take your eyes off of them, and that they have a unique and powerful energy that is impossible to ignore. Number 2. Hearing their voice for the first time and feeling your heart skip a beat, as if their voice is captivating. When you first hear their voice, you may feel an immediate attraction to it, as if it has a special quality that sets it apart from all others. You may find yourself wanting to hear more of it, and feeling like their voice is one of the most alluring things about them. Number 3. Feeling their breath and everything else around you seems to fade away, as if their presence is the only important thing. This feeling is characterized by a sense of total immersion in the moment, where all of your senses are focused on the other person. You may feel like the rest of the world fades away, leaving only you and the other person in your own little bubble. Number 4. Feeling more confident and happier in their presence. When you are around the person you have fallen for at first sight, you may feel a sense of increased confidence and happiness. They may bring out the best in you, making you feel like you can do anything and be anyone you want to be. Number 5. Every interaction with them feels like a dance, as if your chemistry with them is growing stronger. This feeling is characterized by a sense of effortless connection, where every interaction with the other person feels like a natural flow of conversation and energy. You may feel like your chemistry with them is growing stronger with each passing moment, and that you are completely in sync with each other. Number 6. When you suddenly think of them, you feel as if you are bathed in warm sunshine. This feeling is characterized by a sense of warmth and comfort, as if the other person brings light into your life. When you think of them, you may feel a sense of peace and contentment that makes you feel like everything is right with the world. Number 7. Feeling that their presence makes you a better and more complete person. When you are around the person you have fallen for at first sight, you may feel like they bring out the best in you. They may inspire you to be a better person, and make you feel like you are more complete when you are with them. Number 8. An intense attraction to them that feels irresistible no matter what. This feeling is characterized by a sense of intense attraction, where you feel like you are completely drawn to the other person no matter what. You may feel like you can't resist them, and that you would do anything to be with them. Number 9. Your heart beats faster every time you see them. This feeling is characterized by a physical response to the other person, where your heart rate increases every time you see them. You may feel like you are constantly in a state of heightened awareness when you are around them, and that your body is responding to them in ways that you can't control. Number 10. Feeling a sense of ultimate satisfaction, as if you have found your life partner. This feeling is characterized by a sense of completeness and fulfillment, as if you have finally found the missing piece to your life's puzzle. You may feel like the other person is your soulmate, and that being with them is the ultimate goal of your life. As the famous author Paulo Coelho once said, love at first sight is easy to understand. It's when two people have been looking at each other for a lifetime that it becomes a miracle. Whether you believe in the power of love at first sight or not, it's undeniable that this phenomenon has the ability to capture our hearts and imaginations like nothing else. So, go out there and embrace the magic of love at first sight, but remember to take things slow and get to know someone beyond the initial attraction. Who knows, you may just experience a love that lasts a lifetime. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more thought-provoking content about love and relationships.